Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting and special vlog. It's actually Anand's birthday today. So I am so happy and so excited because this is the first time we have ever gotten to celebrate his birthday on his birthday. Normally we're either in different countries or traveling, so we celebrate before or after the fact, which is still great, but you know, it's special when it's actually your day. So he has no idea what's going on. I don't even think he knows I'm planning anything. We're doing a very chill, well, I'm telling you guys what I'm doing. So I am planning a very chill evening, just some nice dinner, maybe out in the balcony, and just really relaxed. Hopefully Kobe is very chill. He's had a very hectic weekend with the nephews, so I know he's already really tired. So I hope he just is very relaxed and lets us have our nice quality time. But yeah, I'm planning to make a risotto. I've never made risotto before, but I want to do it like a mushroom style with a nice salad and maybe some herbed bread to go along with it. So let's go. Hi, sleepy pup. Hey, Kobe. I love it because he'll take the blanket from the edge of the couch and just rearrange it. It's the sweetest. Tired? He's so sleepy. Okay, well, I'm gonna go run some errands. Oh, no, no, don't come. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh. Okay, so like I mentioned, I wanted to make risotto for the first time, so I have everything prepared. Let me walk you through what I am going to be doing. I am using a combination of maybe 2 recipes and then just my brain. God help me. I swear to God, I had the biggest blank of my life. Like, I have never ever had a blank like that. Like, where you know something and you just can't think of it. So let me walk you through the ingredients that I have. So I'm going to be using mushrooms, I have risotto rice, I'm going to be using this broth. I honestly searched high and low for broth and I could not find one that was suitable to my dietary restrictions, so I'm going to be using this. I hope it turns out right. And then I also have some nutritional yeast that I'm going to be adding to give it a nice cheesy flavor instead of Parmesan. I have some celery puree that's frozen. I have broccoli, and I chopped up the stem because it tastes like asparagus. I could not remember the word asparagus for the life of me. I have some sweet yellow peppers and some grated ginger. I have my pan here, and it's such a cute pan. My mom gifted this to me from my wedding. It is a silver pan with rose gold handles. It is so sweet. And then it has this cap right there, and it has like rose gold accents, and it has like this rose gold tint. How cute is this? I love it so much. Thank you. But I'm going to prepare the food. I hope it turns out right. If it does turn out right, I'll leave the recipe in the description, but to be honest, I have no idea what I'm doing. I just hope it turns out good. So this recipe calls for a broth, and honestly I checked so many stores, high and low, I could not find anything. So I'm going to be using the miso broth. This has such a mild flavor that I feel like I'm going to have to do the seasoning myself, but I don't want to season just yet. I want the flavors of the veggies that are cooking in here to, you know, come out themselves first and see what I'm working with. And because it's super mild, I feel like this is going to be really easy to work with. I have to use 4 cups of this, so I have my measuring cup right here. And it's also my first time using nutritional yeast, so I am super excited to try this out. I will still add some Parmesan in it, just to give it that extra cheesy flavor that we love, but you know, but just to keep it as healthy as possible, we're going to use this. Also, this was my tripod, don't judge me. Guys, this looks so good. I did a quick taste test and it is amazing. Super creamy, so rich in flavor. I cannot wait to eat this. I really, really hope Anand likes it. I don't know if you can see the texture, but super creamy.
cupcakes from...
Me! I made them!
You got them from Caramel Cream.
Yo,
Wow.
well, you don't think I could make this?
Look at this. You made some spring rolls? Are they from home?
They're from home. I made risotto.
Ooh.
It's Italian herbed rice with veggies.
Yo, it smells really good.
Yeah. You don't have to read it out loud. Happy 29. No, there's nothing in there. That was a stand.
There was more.
You're greedy.
Ooh.
Oh, you excited? Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. This is a fail of a sparkler. Target. Maybe I put it in backwards.
Oh, maybe.
Okay, I don't want it to melt all over the brownie. Yay!
Time to act! Yo! What magic is this? There's a ghost in this house.
Well, maybe there's too much oxygen. It's not supposed to be a trick candle. I'm a bit confused. I didn't buy a trick candle.
Maybe this is like a symbolic representation of our love, that it can never be snuffed out.
But it's not our anniversary, it's your birthday. Okay, well, we need to snuff it out. You want to go put it in the sink? Put it in the sink, Anand. No, just, I don't want sparks. Okay, so I don't know what happened with the candle. It was just supposed to be a sparkler, but it didn't even do that. So let me tell you what I have here. I have an apricot jam macaron. I have a lime matcha cupcake, 2 of them, 2 of each, and then a chocolate chip chocolate brownie, which is Anand's favorite. Plus, I just needed a base for the candle without ruining the rest. And I'm just using my freaking cutting board because I didn't know how to display it. Oh well, I have many more birthdays to display things more prettily.
That's right.
That's right, let's eat. I am hungry. This is 29.
Time to eat, man.
Okay, tell me about your sentiments. Do you feel like you're 29?
I don't, but don't do this to me. No, I'm very young at heart. I don't feel 29, and my friends will tell you I don't act 29. Though this will be the year that I mature up, I promise. And that's it.
Oh, one can hope. One can hope. Okay, so I'm currently in bed. I have my face washed, cleansed, and moisturized, ready for bed. I had a very chill evening because it's been so hot here, and because of that, I've also been drinking a lot of ice water. Normally I'm drinking like room temperature water or hot teas, but you can hear it in my voice. It's like getting raspy. I'm reading Power of Habit. So I talked about this book in my Q&A, but I really like it. I'm about 2/3 of the way done. I have 1/3 left, but I read really slow, and especially books like these where they're inspirational and they're real life stories, I like to read them a little bit slower so I can really absorb the information, because it's sometimes months before I go back to it to, you know, reread or refer back to it. Yeah, other than that, I think that's it. I think I'm gonna end off the vlog here. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you later. Bye.